The proscribed outfit Koireng-led UNLF apprehended 2 women for alleged involvement in human trafficking and subsequent exploiting them as sex workers. The 2 women were identified as Moirangthem Baby, 40 years, and Chinnai, 24 years. Following an acknowledgement of their actions, the outfit administered punishment to Baby at Laitonjam Awang Laikai in Bisnupur district under the jurisdiction of Nambol Police Station at approximately 8:10 p.m. yesterday. Baby sustained a gunshot wound to her lower left leg, while Chinnai was handed over to a local civil society organization for further assistance. Baby was rushed to a nearby healthcare center and later admitted to RIMS Hospital for further treatment. Additionally, Chinnai, a tribal woman, was handed over to their concerned CSO for necessary action. Speaking to the media, Pibarel Angomcha, spokesperson of the outfit, stressed the unfortunate reality that many young women are compelled to engage in selling their bodies as a means of earning income. Citing the outfit's commitment to punishing human traffickers aiming to stain society's reputation, he assured that the outfit will continue to punish whoever is involved in such activities. He further disclosed that many leaders were involved in these immoral activities and gave his assurance to punish those involved. The outfit seized incriminating sensory photos and videos along with various items.